Here we have a 2016 Ram truck. This is a crew cab in bright white color. Has a 5.7 liter Hemi engine, 4x4. Nice set of 20-inch chrome rims. There's a fresh trade-in here at Lakeshore Chrysler. You can see here on the driver's door panel, it's a light slate color and a black. Has power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Has automatic headlamps. This is a gray interior cloth with a mixed kind of black and gray insert. 10-way power driver's seat with lumbar. This 2016 Ram has 63,527 miles on it today. It is equipped with Bluetooth to make and take calls hands-free. Has a gear shift select and cruise control here on the right side of the steering wheel. This has a power rear slider, garage door openers, which is a home link, 911 assist equipped. This is an 8-speed transmission, dial shift, with 4x4 auto, 4x4 high, low, and 2-wheel drive settings. This is an 8.4-inch Uconnect screen. You can see you can connect things Bluetooth, heated seats, heated steering wheel, climate control, navigation. It also doubles as a backup camera screen. This is tow equipped. It's a really nice Ram. It has bucket seats. I'll show you the back seat here. It has a nice Alpine system as well. Fold up seats. We got the subwoofer on this side. Traded in with that tonneau cover. If you're looking for a really clean Ram, low miles, at a great price, this might be the one for you. Please visit us here in Montague if you'd like to test drive or purchase this Ram. Visit us online at boydearls.com to see pictures, get the free vehicle history report and the price, or give us a call at 893-1945 for more information.